You may want to ask yourself why the President and his deputy cannot travel in the same equipment at any one time. And in a situation like this, I think the answer to that question may help you understand why we have the situation we have at the moment. For the record, we consult regularly, almost daily, with the President and all the other ministers that are carrying out the various tasks in the management of this pandemic. And that is the position of the Jubilee administration. I think I've answered both questions, including the one of